This is the 2020 Chevy Equinox all-wheel drive Premier, stock number 201100, powered by a 170 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with automatic transmission. Not only does this Equinox come in midnight blue metallic exterior with body color door handles, heated outside mirrors with integrated turn signal indicators, remote start, plus 5-passenger leather seating with heated front driver and front passenger seats. But what really sets this vehicle apart are its safety, confidence, and convenience features, which include automatic emergency braking. At speeds less than 50 miles per hour, the system can alert you if a front-end collision is imminent, and it can reduce the severity of the impact by automatically applying hard emergency braking. This is useful if you're following another vehicle too closely, if another vehicle jumped into your lane quickly, when trying to merge on our Parkways and the also merging car in front of you just lost their nerve, and in pedestrian and slow-moving traffic situations where you might not be paying attention. Lane Keep Assist with lane departure warning can help avoid crashes due to unintentionally drifting out of your lane without your turn signal on, by providing gentle steering wheel turns to get you back on course. Rear Park Assist. This provides rear distance alerts to nearby detected objects behind the vehicle to help you park and avoid objects. Rear Cross Traffic Alert. When in reverse, alerts you to cross traffic behind you, in other words, backing out of a driveway or a parking space. Rear Seat Reminder. This is one of my favorites. Helps remind the driver to check the back seat before leaving the vehicle. This activates when rear doors are opened and closed up to 10 minutes before or anytime after your vehicle is on. Hands-free gesture liftgate. Opens or closes the liftgate when the system senses the key fob and the driver places their foot below the rear bumper. Come check out the full lineup of Chevrolet vehicles at any of our 3 East Hills Chevy stores in Freeport, Roslyn, and Douglaston.